Hello, I share about Walmart's 5 force analysis. First, I give you introduction. Port's 5 force of competitive position analysis is a simple framework for assessing a business's competitive strength and position. It was developed in 1979 by Michael E. Porter. For example, Tesla Porter's 5 force analysis provides insight into a company's current competitive position and the future strongest position that the company may look to move. Porter's 5 forces analysis also help to understand areas of strength and identify and improve the weak side of the business. Tesla is probably the most Tesla is probably the most innovative and the most dynamic business in the industry, and it has involved so much in so little time that this is the example to study Porter's model. Next, background of Tesla. Tesla was founded by Martin Eberhard and Mark in 2003. Tesla also recognized Elon Musk, J.P. Steinberg, and Lan Wright and as co-founders. Though Tesla is not a very old company, it has made a great contribution to the industry with a market capitalization of around 28 billion in 2006. Tesla revealed its first prototype in the EV market called the Roadster. After continuous work and developed, the final production model was launched in 2008. The current model is the Tesla Model 3. Tesla is ahead of its competitors because of its ability to charge supercharger stations worldwide. Tesla Porter's 5 forces. The automotive industry is a very dynamic business and has its unique challenge, and Tesla is very successful business that speaks volumes about its strategic competence and efficiency and effectiveness. Let's review Tesla Porter 5-4 analysis to understand it more detail. Competition in the industry, strong force. The threat of new entries, weak force. Bargaining power of suppliers, moderate force. Bargaining power of customers, moderate force. The threat of substitute products or service, moderate force. First, competition in the industry. First, I share about strong force. The automobile industry is highly competitive, so industry competition is very a strong force. Different forces are acting in the Tesla competitor analysis, and there are many external factors and strong forces in competitive rivalry. Let us list down possible forces in Tesla competitive analysis. The weak force of the number of competitors in the industry, the strong force of aggressive competitors in the market, the strong force of low switching cost for buyers. After identifying the force, let us see how Tesla deals with the intensive competition in the market. Innovation and integrated service with charging stations spread worldwide give Tesla an edge over its competitors. Supply chain improvement, vertical integration, and a commitment to consistent improvement support lowest cost and high profit. Low cost is an attractive attribute for competitive advantage. And aggressive media and aggressive 3 to 1. The threat of new entries, moderate force. The threat of new entries is a low force in Tesla Porter 5 forces. Many factors discourage new entries for venturing in the industry, and let us identify these factors. Brand development is expensive art. It needs highly innovated and very advanced technology. The high cost is a weak force to discourage new companies. The automated industry requires a fair amount of finance to operate and also a weak force. High economics of scale or anchor High economics of scale are another weak force. Economic of scale are positive force for established market players. However, it does not favor new entries. And the bargaining power of suppliers, it's a weak force. The bargaining power of suppliers is a moderate force in Tesla Porter's five forces. Tesla relies on suppliers for its smooth supply lines. Hence suppliers influence the business, and the forces involved in they are forward integration in a moderate forces. Tesla procures for multiple suppliers, so eventually it is not dependent on one supplier. So it is a moderate force. A moderate supply level is a moderate force. A big volume of others for suppliers, weakness suppliers, bargaining power. The bargaining power of customers is a strong force. The bargaining power of customers in the electric automobile industry is a moderate force. Various factors influence the bargaining power of customers in the Tesla Porter's 5-force model. Low switching costs are a strong force because they are increased bias bargaining power. They can switch to any vehicles without any additional cost. Moderate Moderate substitute availability is a moderate force. There are not many suppliers of electric cars in the market, and they are few but very strong indeed. Low volume of purchase because every customer can own one of few vehicles. Threat of substitute products or services, it's a strong force. A threat of substitute power in Tesla Porter's 5-force is a moderate force because Tesla has a moderate and limited number of substitute options in the market. Let's have a look at the contribute factors. The most important contribute factor is the low switching cost, increasing competition between competitors. The average a limited of substitute availability is a moderate force. Moderate performance of substituents is also moderate force. Next, the strategies for success. Tesla is a brand in the electric automotive industry, almost becoming synonymous with the electric cars. However, there is a great room for flying even higher in the evolving industry. Let us review some strategies for success after we have some see let us review some strategies for success after we have seen Tesla Porter's 5 forces. Um, First one, cost leadership, and second, first cost leadership, second differentiation, third focus. First, cost leadership. High costs are a great barrier for customers to adopt electric cars. Tesla has already identified their barrier and is moving forward in the direction of cost leadership. Second one, differentiation. Porter's 5 forces example Tesla shows it can use the board differentiation strategy for competitive advantage. Tesla is already known for its high quality and unique taste of coffee. They also use the differentiation policy in the design of the cafes, where they offer a cozy and friendly environment that makes people enjoy. Product diversity throughout new types of beverages apart from cafe in a promising strategy to cater to customers who are not always into the cafe. Also, moving into the service industry and the product industry can diversify Tesla portfolio. Next, focus. Tesla focuses Next, focus. Tesla focuses on its products to gain a competitive edge over other players in the market. It does spend much on promotion and relies on positive reviews and more word of mouth promotions. It spends most of its resources on research and development, manufacturing excellence, and technological excellence. Apart from that, Tesla also has a social message of an environment friendly approach to focus. Takeaways. Tesla Partners 5 Force analysis is the testimony to the potential of success in innovation and technology. After a detailed review of this model, you can also implement the success strategies for your business. You must use a comprehensive and simple business diagramming tool for a more detailed and easy to understand Porter's 5 Force model. We recommended addressed online to create of type of business diagram because of its strategical word. We recommended Adric Max online to create all types of business diagrams because of its straightforward and broad range of features and well-stocked libraries of simple templates and tools.